Hi, my name's Caitlin. Today I want to talk about something pretty cool on the guitar and a fun little finger exercise that you can do, and that is sus chords. You might have heard of a sus chord, or you might have seen it somewhere, or maybe you've heard it and you didn't even know what it was. Here's a couple examples of some famous songs that use sus chords to do the riff. Tell me if you know this one. This thing called love. Or how about this one? I got my first real 6-string, bought it at the 5 and 9. Or one more. She's a good girl, loves her mama, loves horses, and America too. So all those three songs are just using the D chord, and they're doing a Dsus4 chord and a Dsus2 chord. So without going into all the complicated music theory of it all this really means for us is I have to change one note of this chord. In this case, I can either lift off my middle finger to get a Dsus2 chord, or I can add my pinky to the 3rd fret of the E string. So I'm actually going to leave my chord on, and I'm going to add my pinky to get that. You can hear it kind of lifts up, but then when I go back to regular D, it feels like it's settled. And then when I lift my finger off for the sus2, it feels like it lowers. And then I can come back to D. So an exercise that you can try is to play a D chord, add your pinky, go back to regular D, and then go to the sus chord like that. Pretty cool, sounds great, and it's also fun. It's good to get control of each of your fingers individually.